Imagine a world where birds aren't just chirping in trees or flying across the sky. They are solving puzzles, using tools, recognizing faces, and even planning for the future. You might think intelligence belongs only to humans or mammals like dolphins and apes. But what if I told you that some birds are so smart, they can rival the cognitive skills of a young child? Today, we'll take a fascinating journey through the avian world and uncover the top 10 birds that are smarter than you imagine. Starting our list is the African grey parrot, often called the Einstein of the bird world. These parrots can memorize hundreds of words, understand meanings, and even form sentences. The famous African grey named Alex shocked scientists with his intelligence. He could identify colors, shapes, and even express emotions like frustration or excitement. Unlike most animals that mimic sounds without meaning, African greys actually understand what they are saying. Their intelligence rivals that of a 5-year-old child, proving they are far more than just talkative pets. Next up, we have the New Caledonian crow, one of nature's greatest engineers. These crows can craft tools from sticks, leaves, and even wire to extract insects from logs or holes. In lab experiments, they've been seen solving multi-step puzzles, using one tool to get another, and demonstrating logical thinking that rivals primates. In the wild, they use teamwork, communicate strategies, and even teach their young how to build tools, something that was once thought to be uniquely human. Third on our list is the Kea parrot from New Zealand, also known as the world's cheekiest bird. Keas are alpine parrots with bright green feathers and even brighter minds. They are famous for their curiosity and problem-solving skills. In the wild, Keas can unlock latches, remove screws, and work together to access food. They've even been observed playing with objects and teasing tourists by stealing items just for fun. Their playful behavior isn't random, it's a sign of advanced intelligence and social awareness. Keas truly live up to their reputation as the mischievous geniuses of the bird world. Next is the Eurasian magpie, one of the few non-mammal species that can recognize itself in a mirror. This ability, known as self-awareness, is incredibly rare. Magpies have passed the mirror test, meaning they understand that their reflection is themselves, not another bird. They also hold funerals for their dead, gather around fallen companions, and even show empathy. Their emotional depth and problem-solving skills make them one of the most intelligent birds in the animal kingdom. The fifth bird on our list is the raven, known throughout mythology as a symbol of wisdom. Ravens are not only smart but also incredibly adaptable. They've been seen using tools, playing games, and even manipulating other animals to get food. In one experiment, ravens learned to pull up a string to reach food, understanding cause and effect. In the wild, they plan for the future by hiding food in secret spots and remembering exactly where they left it. They also use gestures and body language to communicate, something very few animals can do. Coming in sixth is the Clark's nutcracker, a small bird with an astonishing memory. Living in the mountainous regions of North America, this bird hides thousands of pine seeds every year and can remember the location of most of them even months later, under several feet of snow. Scientists estimate they can recall over 10,000 hiding spots, showing a level of spatial memory that outshines even humans. This amazing ability helps them survive harsh winters, proving that intelligence comes in all shapes and sizes. Our next genius bird is the pigeon. Yes, the ordinary city pigeon you see every day is actually a navigation master. Pigeons have been used for centuries to deliver messages across long distances because of their incredible homing ability. They can recognize landmarks, detect the Earth's magnetic fields, and even identify themselves in mirrors. Studies show that pigeons can distinguish between different human faces, recognize words, and even understand abstract concepts like space and time. They are far from bird-brained. They are brainy survivors that have adapted perfectly to life alongside humans. Eighth on our list is the western scrub jay, often called the bird with foresight. These clever jays can plan for the future, a trait once thought to be uniquely human. They hide food in multiple locations and remember which ones contain perishable items, so they can retrieve them first. They've even been seen re-hiding food if they think another bird was watching, a sign that they can think from another's perspective. This level of awareness and planning is incredibly advanced, showing how complex bird cognition can be. Next, we have the jackdaw, a small black bird with bright blue eyes and a big brain. Jackdaws are social thinkers. They understand human cues and eye contact, something even some primates struggle with. They form strong social bonds and use their intelligence to navigate complex group dynamics. In experiments, jackdaws could interpret human gaze direction to find hidden food, showing they understand that eyes mean attention. Their communication skills and emotional intelligence make them stand out among birds. Finally, rounding off our list is the crow, specifically, the common crow. While we've already mentioned their New Caledonian relatives, crows all over the world exhibit extraordinary intelligence. They can recognize human faces, hold grudges, and even teach their young which humans to avoid. Some urban crows have been seen placing nuts on roads for cars to crack open, then waiting for the traffic light to turn red before retrieving them safely. Crows also understand water displacement, can count, and solve complex puzzles, displaying reasoning skills that astonish researchers. When we think of intelligence, we often look to mammals, dolphins, chimpanzees, elephants. But birds prove that brain size doesn't define brilliance. From ravens that reason to parrots that speak, and from magpies that mourn to crows that craft tools, these feathered minds challenge everything we thought we knew about intelligence. What makes their intelligence even more fascinating is that it evolved separately from mammals. Despite their tiny brains, birds developed highly efficient neural circuits, giving them problem-solving abilities that mirror human cognition. Their creativity, memory, and adaptability remind us that intelligence comes in many forms, often hidden in plain sight, perched on a branch, flying above us, or singing at our windows. So, the next time you see a bird, take a closer look. That simple chirp or curious glance might come from a mind that's analyzing, remembering, and planning in ways more human-like than you'd ever imagine. These incredible creatures aren't just beautiful, they are brilliant. The world of birds is a world of intelligence, ingenuity, and wonder. If you enjoyed exploring the minds of these feathered geniuses, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's keep discovering the hidden brilliance of the animal kingdom, one amazing creature at a time.